happening.
We got to wait for the gate to open right open.
There we
before
go.
we can go.
Look, we can go now.
Oh, hello. It feels weird when you have the seatbelt on in the car.
I
Yeah,
know.
it doesn't seem right, does it then?
Mm-hmm. Like when you're in a bus and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, don't touch that.
You've got to look out for the horrible dogs now, look.
Yeah, they're up.
Right, now sit round.
Where?
See if you can see any.
Keep doors, windows.
They're probably over by the van.
Where?
By the van.
Where?
I'm about
Oh no, there's a load over by that, over there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, can you see him, Alice?
Over by the tree trunk. We're going to go enter into the lions now.
Oh, you can't really see them. All over there, look, John. All over, they're down over there.
What do they say for the lions?
Yeah, you can't tell really.
Yeah, a few there.
Who now? You're home that way.
We're not going home.
It's home.
We've got to go see the lions.
Why? Oh, I just saw one.
Oh, lion?
On through that gate all the way down there.
Let's put it in. Let's put it in. Look at this one.
What did you ooh about them, Mum?
Yeah, because look,
I
the van's
didn't
just
bend.
gone past.
Oh.
Yeah, so one was.
You seen one walking past
Yes,
the gate?
no, it was running away from a van. One was
Probably
running away
moving
from.
them all away.
Yeah, might be.
Right, we're going to go see the lions now, so you've got to be...
Bye.
You've got to be really quiet.
Let's swing up on the rock.
Look at the top of the rock.
Oh, look at him.
Look on top of the rock.
That's probably the one I saw a second ago.
Maybe.
Where?
Look,
lying
right in front of
down.
you. He's lying down on the lion. The lion's lying down on the lion.
You can't see those things. Bloody bad.
Where? Right there.
Such a child.
There. There. Where?
In front.
Where?
Alice.
Where? Where?
See him in a minute.
Where?
You can't see it now because the collar's in front.
Still out there, you can just
Yeah.
look down at them.
She can't see because that collar in front's too high, look.
I can.
You can sit out there.
Yeah, I can
You
see
said
it.
that?
That was probably on
Oh,
the
it's-
one what was on the
I don't
van
know
a
what
minute
she's
ago.
doing, Dave.
I see drama.
You're doing my nutting, kid. That's what you were doing.
You've got to keep still.
Keep still, we're going now.
No,
No.
stay with me. You're not going back there. Look, turn around now.
No,
Lions.
gate's opening now.
Oh,
Alice,
you
get
watch
up.
now. You
Get
come
up,
and
mate.
watch now.
Grandma do it.
Grandma wants to see
Grandma's
the
watching the
lions.
lions, so you watch the lions too.
No.
Look, they're being good in that car. The children in that car's being good, so you should be as well.
Look, can you see the lion on the rock?
Look, there's lots of lions on the rock.
Look at that one on the tree.
Oh, look.
You see that one over by the
Look
tree?
at him. He's on the tree.
Big bone. Oh, your side, look. He's up against the tree.
Look, he's got a big bone on the tree.
But these trees are here, look.
Oh,
You see him?
Wait, stop.
There's a lump of bone.
It's a bone there, yeah.
Big bone right there.
It's a big bone,
Okay,
isn't
let's go on
it?
the rock.
Can you see the big lions on the rock?
You go down.
There's two out there now. There's
Yeah,
three out there.
several
There's a
up
few
there,
up there,
yeah.
I see it up there.
Yeah, can you see
See
him
that
on top
big
of the rock?
daddy one on the top?
No.
And the mummy ones?
The daddy ones have got lots of hair on their heads, whereas the mummy ones don't.
Mummy.
No, not me, them. Look, see, look at that lady lion.
Where? This bone.
Can you see the lion on top?
This bone.
Can you see the big lion on top of the rock?
This bone.
He's got a bone, yeah. Look at that stupid bitch.
What?
She's got her window down taking photos.
Oh,
Are you actually kidding me?
Saturday, you know.
If they get caught, see, they get into trouble, don't they?
Yeah.
They'll come and tell them.
Bloody idiot. Seriously.
Look, it's shut down now. What's shut down?
He's found another bone.
A lion on top of a lion.
The lion's lying on the lion.
Yeah, because it's a lion rock, so.
You
Ammy!
got a
No,
boom
Mummy's
there.
going to take a picture.
Ammy!
No, Mummy's going to take a picture.
There's one at the bottom as well, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, Maya! See with me.
That's a nice picture there. Not her on the top.
Well, if Alice... Stop it, Alice.
I got a
minute.
picture of it, don't worry.
Have you?
Yeah, I got a picture of it.
Alice, you need to stop, love. No, 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 no.
I got a picture. Is he tighter now? Is he more tighter?
No, we're going to see some white lions now.
Some more lions.
Wait, yeah.
White lions now.